Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, mensahe. So, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Oo. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating po sa ating mga items. Again. Kung inyo ang item, bigay ang real name. Kung inyong ipapangregalo, ibibigay yung real name po nung riregaluhan, okay, or nung bibigyan ang aming kailangan. Okay, so yun ha. Oo, unang-una. And again, available lang ating mga protection from evil eye ring, yung ating adjustable, meaning no need po pagdating po sa sizes. Okay, kasi na-adjust po. No, yung ating evil eye ring and yung ating dalawang sample, ng bracelet, isang garterized, ganyan yung kanyang pendant. So ganyan. Diba? Ang ganda nito. And yung ating adjustable. So lahat adjustable. Diba? So available naman ito sa red string. Red and black po. No, red and black. So, ito yung aking inire-recommend kung bata yung gagamit. Po-provide nyo lang yung measurements nung kanilang wrist. No? And syempre, ito pala. Dito muna tayo. Na-excite ako. Yung ating evil eye necklace. So, yung necklace natin, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Para saan po yung extender? Para inyo ring, ang tawag dyan, may adjust, no? Yung length nung chain. Pero pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto nyo. Important lang dyan is yung ating pendant. So, meron siyang blue stone doon sa center. Okay, pwede po ito, unisex po, no? So, yes, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, yan siya. Ang ganda niyan. See? Okay. So, meron siyang citrine stone. Citrine stone is nag-a-act as the money magnet. Okay? So, ito again ha. Hindi nyo na kailangang i-cleanse, please. Ha, isusuot nyo na lang po. Ha, yung iba kasi, madam, kinlens ko yung akin, nahilo ako. Ha, so nakalagay naman dyan, isusuot na lang po. Ha, isusuot na lang. So, again, this is, ang tawag dyan, wala ako. So, 2-in-1, love and money. Kung ikaw lalaki, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? So, ang tawag dyan, magsasabi ka lang kay admin kung gusto mong samahan ng red pouch. Okay? Pwede naman. And, yun lamang. Hindi po ito, garterized. Yes, this is 7 inches long sa mga nagtatanong. Okay? Oops, oh my gosh. So, 7 inches long. Okay? So, next is yung ating granter. May naghahanap sa akin. Sandali lang po, Anyway, so granter necklace, this is made to order po. Yung ating granter. Ha? This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. This is unisex. Taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. Again, taga-grant. Hindi po siya ang nagmamanifest para sa'yo. Ha, ang role mo mag-manifest, ang role niya i-grant yung minamanifest mo. And syempre, pareho nitong ating love and money bracelet, kailangan nyong gumamit ng evil eye protection para maproteksyonan ninyo yung inyong mga minamanifest from those people throwing you evil eye. Okay? Para hindi nasasabotahe ng ibang tao yung ginugusto nyo. Para ang magagrant niya is 100% yung inyong minamanifest. Pwede kasing mag-grant niya. Kaso nga lang, hindi nyo pinotektahan. So, pwedeng 50% na lang nung inyong minanifest yung dadating, yung mag-grant. Gets? So, yun po ha. Again, made to order to. So, this is unisex. And, syempre, aside sa mga minamanifest ninyo, meron siyang weekly surprises for you. Weekly! Small, medium, large. O, diba? Oo. So, hindi natin masasabi kung anong pwede niya ibigay weekly. Pero, yes, weekly surprises from grantor. Okay? So, next. Oo. Yung ating pangtanggal, MALAS. Pwede po ba sa bahay? Yes. Pwede po ba? Yes. Isabit lang sa front door. Okay? Yung nasisinaga ng araw. Pwede sa bintana, yung nasisinaga ng araw. Okay? Pero kung gusto mo pang sarili, ibibigay mo yung real name mo. Okay? So, pantanggal, MALAS, pangtanggal alat. Pwede sa negosyo? Yes. Sa bahay nga, pwede eh. Sa'yo nga, pwede. Sa negosyo pa kaya. Ang gandang combo kung ito at ito ang gagamitin mo. Ito madalas. Itong dalawang to. Okay? Yung iba sinasamahan ng grantor. Kasi si grantor, pwede niyang i-grant yung visa, okay? Promotion, yan yun eh. Kasi ito, money and love. Ito, mga specific. Okay? Visa, basta, okay, like, ang tawag dito, makapasa sa exam, sa test, mga ganun. Okay po, so again, pasensya na sa mga nakakabaan kasi I need to explain para hindi na isa-isa po doon sa message, no, kung para saan. So, makinig na lang dito sa video. So, sa mga hindi interested, you can skip the video naman eh. Pwede naman yun. No, so, yeah. Kung may tanong, message na lang po ulit sa PM. Okay, wag po sa comment section, please. Ang dami ko nakikita comment section nagtatanong. Well, ini-ignore namin yun. Yeah, ini-ignore namin. Hindi namin nire-replyan. Re-replyan ka lang namin pag sa PM ka nag-message. Okay? So, let's see. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, the reading starts 7:41. Okay, sa mga may concern dyan sa iba, the reading starts 7:41. Okay. Air signs. What is for you? The Ace of Wands inversed. Baliin ang routine. Air signs. Okay? Specific message yun. Baliin mo routine mo. Yeah. The Three of Swords. Baliin mo ang routine. Some of you, this is a situation na parang hindi na nagkakaroon ng progress. There's third party involved. Okay? Yung iba naman kasi, meron ako dito nakikitang napoprolong na lang yung separation. Kaya parang hindi na nagkakaroon ng pag-usad sa buhay. This is a message for you kung nakaka-resonate ka. Nasa isang sitwasyon ka na parang kailangan na mag-end pero hindi mo ine-end. Kaya ikaw naapektuhan. Pamemera mo, kalusugan mo, okay? Pamumuhay. Could be yung situation na nagbibigay sa'yo ng what? Delay. Okay? Somebody needs to hear that. Somebody's stuck. Could be a fire sign or an air sign like you. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Ten of Cups in reversed. Meron ditong nanay na stress. Yes, meron ditong nanay na stress. Bakit po na stress? Feeling niya parang walang concern sa kanya yung mga nakapaligid sa kanya. Pwedeng asawa, pwedeng anak. Puro stress na lang siguro rin ang ibinibigay if ever. Yan, Eight of Swords, hindi man lang ito makalabas-labas siguro ng bahay para huminga-hinga. Yeah, somebody is stressed. Somebody is sad. Could be a mother figure. Some of you, this is a single mother. King of Wands Universe, nawawalan na ng gana pagdating sa sarili. Kasi puro na lang iba yung iniintindi. Okay? So, minsan, kung sa tingin ninyo, nanay nyo to, or tatay nyo, minsan, i-treat nyo. Okay? Minsan, kumukumustahin nyo. Yeah. So, what else? What else? Air signs. Meron ditong nawawala na din ng gana pagdating sa mga ginagawa sa pang-araw-araw. So, yun nga, number 1 kung sinabi kanina, baliin nyo yung routine. Pagising mo pa lang, ibahin mo na. Kung nasanay ka na pagising mo, may ginagawa kang ganito, ibahin mo. Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Why is that? Seven of Wands. Some of you, kailangan mong sabihin nating yung sinasabing ang tawag dito, watch your spending. Okay? Watch your spending. Some of you, there's this energy na talagang nagbibigay sa'yo ng blockages, okay, pagdating sa pamemera. Yung iba sa inyo po, there's this challenge na pwedeng dumating, and I think this is patungkol sa kaperahan. Okay, kailangan may magkaroon ng ibang ibang strategy, parang ganyan, para hindi stagnant yung energy pagdating sa pera. Some of you, this is specific, no, pagdating sa pera. Seven of Pentacles, the Emperor in reverse. Yeah. Kasi parang nakikita ko dito kung ano lang yung alam hindi na parang nag-grow. Parang kailangan gumawa ng bagong strategy, bagong pakulo, mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, yeah. May chance naman na pwedeng ipopursue nyo to. Okay? Yeah, the Fool in reverse. Pwede naman ipopursue. So, there. Meron din dito nakakaramdam ng parang miss opportunity with you, an Aries or a fire sign or an earth sign. A miss opportunity. Next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, anong message for you? Let's see. Fire signs. Fire signs. The Four of Swords. Rest. Three of Wands. Some of you, I'm hearing pwedeng or kailangan ng bakasyon, kailangan ng pahinga, kailangan lumayo-layo muna sa kung ano man nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo siguro. Some of you, this is the energy of healing. Okay? Cutting off. Paglayo, isolating. Okay? Next with this Three of Wands. Six of Cups. Okay. So, your person, I think this is a past person who is thinking of you. They miss you. Expecting a lot. Okay? Expecting a lot. Sabihin nating, they're expecting na sana magkita pa rin or magka-reconnect pa rin in the future. They're thinking of you. Some of them, pwedeng pinagdarasal ka, napapanaginipan ka, something like that. Okay? Ito yung taong lumayo, dumisconnect sa'yo. I'm hearing then a surprise na parang may uuwi galing malayo. The Knight of Pentacles, the Empress. Standing on your ground, I think. Standing on your ground, having limits, boundaries. You should say no. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Some of you should say no sa kung ano man. The Nine of Pentacles, some of you, this is sabihin nating sobrang daming responsibilidad. Hindi mo kailangan lahat i-shoulder. Okay? Some of you, kailangan mong i-cut off tong mga responsibilidad na to kasi pwedeng hindi naman lahat naman dapat talaga is ikaw. Okay? Standing on your ground, ang sinasabi, whether magalit man sila or matuwa sa gagawin mo. Some of them talagang magagalit kasi hihindian mo. Nakikita ka nila as the Empress, somebody na open, present, available, nurturer. Parang ganun. So, some of you, kailangan nyo talagang magmatigas. Meron iba sa inyo, meron kayong hindi papayagan. Or sabihin nating, the way, pagdating sa mga anak, kailangan na pong maglagay ng limit. Alam nyo yun kung sino kayo. Okay? What else? Four of Cups in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse. Okay, somebody wants to get your attention. Okay, they will make drama. Like boohoo shits. No? Some of them, they will post on their SOCMED. Parang mga ganyang bagay. They just want your attention. Somebody just wants your attention. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Pwedeng kinat off mo to. Or hindi ka na nakikipag-usap dito. Now they want your attention. The Four of Pentacles. They're holding back. They're holding back. So I have here 4, 4, 4. Okay, that's stability. Talking about stability, progress, I think. So tingnan nyo rin po, no, nabubulol ako. Tingnan nyo rin sa Google kung ano ibig sabihin ng 444. Angel number 444 in general. Okay? So yeah. Okay. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So what's for you? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. One more. Water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, big help yan sa channel. Oo. Okay, so let's see. The Three of Cups in reversed. The Nine of Pentacles. Meron ako naririnig na compromise. May yeah, the King of Wands in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles. Parang meron ditong hindi matutuloy. I don't know kung ano. Okay. Something. There could be an occasion. The Three of Cups. Let's see. What's with the Three of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Two of Swords in reversed. The Nine of Wands. The Eight of Swords. Parang merong hindi matutuloy. Kung matuloy man, parang hindi ka masaya. The Knight of Wands, the World in reverse. I don't know if you're expecting something, expecting somebody to show up, pero hindi darating, or maybe a message. Okay, there's this something parang mahalaga. Okay, so what else? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, watch your spending, water signs. Page of Cups in reverse. Hard-headed. Yeah, the Four of Cups. The Moon. Page of Cups in reverse. Parang meron ditong nananawa. Hindi ko alam kung ano, kung sino. Sino tong nananawa na to? May nananawa. The Nine of Swords. Siguro kaya nananawa or sabihin nating may nakakaramdam dito ng parang border or boundaries, limits. Pagdating sa emotion, there could be somebody who is overthinking, crying, somebody stressed. Okay, the High Priestess. Meron kasi ditong nagpapakita or nahingi ng clarity or assurance, something like that. Pero hindi ko nakikitang ibinibigay or naibibigay. So there's a lot of stress, overthinking. Somebody's losing sleep over this. Kasi pwedeng meron ditong immature na oo, immature. Hindi na ipapakita yung totoong emosyon or sabihin nating ang hirap pakisamahan or ang hirap intindihin. That is why. What else? Water signs. The Knight of Wands. Oh, I'm hearing cheating here. A player. Okay, what's with this Knight of Wands in reverse? The Eight of Pentacles. Meron ditong parang pinupursue. Parang, ano daw? Yung energy is parang hindi naging consistent. Could be a fire sign or an earth sign. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. There's these lies. Secrets. Kaya hindi mo makitaan ng focus itong taong to. Or ikaw. Ano tong Eight of Pentacles? Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. So, I think, in general, this is commitments kasi. So, parang hindi ko nakikitaan ng sincerity, no? Itong taong to, kung sino man ito. Or pwedeng ikaw. Ito, pagdating sa iba. There's a lot of drama. There's this drama, distance. So, siguro, pagdating din sa communication, it's not doing, fine, no? Parang hindi okay yung communication, being open. So, somebody's thinking kung mag-work out ba tong sitwasyon na to with a fire sign or a Cancerian or a Taurus or an earth sign. Parang wala kasing pathway, walang direction. Somebody's cheating here. I think somebody's lying. This person, kung sino man to, they're just playing around. Okay? Playing around. Parang one-sided to. Could be a one-sided connection. Yeah. So, ang daming drama. There could be fights, no, every day, sa communication, could be sa chat, something like that. Okay, somebody kasi is hindi, tawag dyan, serious. So, earth signs, hi! Oo, so, hi, Lucky! Diba? So, si Lucky. Okay. So, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what's for you? Okay, nag-flip ang Four of Wands. Looking for stability, long-term connection. Okay. What is for our earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see. The Devil. Why? The Fool in reversed. Okay. 2 major arcana and the Hermit. Somebody, sabihin nating feeling stuck or attached. Somebody's giving you delays. The Hermit is here. Over planning. The Two of Pentacles. Yeah, there's delay. The Two of Pentacles. Meron ako nakita dito. Yeah, another delay. The Ace of Wands. May nakikita ako dito. Yung energy is, sabihin nating stuck. Whether nagpa-plano, pero wala akong nakukuha execution. Lagi ng plano. Wala nang nangyayari. So, isang sign ng failure is yung sobrang pagpaplano. Lalo na kung walang nangyayaring execution. Tandaan yun. Okay? Imbis na subukan na lang muna. Hindi ko na lang muna gagawin. Paplanuhin ko na mabuti to. Hanggang sa umabot na ng 5 taon kakaplano. Yung pinaplano, wala na sa hulog. No? Tsaka pa i-release or tsaka pa lang sisimulan, di wala na. Parang ganon. Wag niyong gagawing literal, ha? Parang ang pinaplano is mag-business ng ice cream. Inabot na ng kalamigan ng panahon. Tsaka lang ni-release yung ice cream. Tingin mo. Huwag niyong gagawing literal, ha? Okay, so meron lang ako nakikitang ganon. Okay. I don't know. Somebody's feeling stuck. Lalo na sa energy mo. Meron ditong feeling nila stuck sila sa'yo. Hindi nila kayang mag-move on. Could be Capricorn, could be an earth sign, a fellow earth sign, and an Aries. What else? Two of Swords, yeah. Indecisiveness. Indecisiveness causes what? Causes delays. Yeah, pendings. The Star. Two of Swords. And the Star. What's with this Two of Swords? Page of Cups. Oh, somebody's interested. Somebody's into you. They're attracted. They're admiring you. Pero they don't know. Like, they're being indecisive. So, in general, indecisive causes delays. So, kung sino man to na nagkakagusto sa'yo, or kung ikaw man to, earth sign, yeah, you like them. Hanggang doon na lang. Kasi, the Two of Swords is here. Nobody is taking action. Nobody's making the move. So, anong meron? Delay. 'Di ba? Hindi napapakita, hindi na i-express yung mga kailangan ipakita at i-express. So, okay, manatili na lamang na nasa ganito tayo. Okay? Yeah, merong nagkaka-interest sa'yo. Masyado lang silang reacting indecisive, aloof. Pwedeng hindi nila pinapakita yung totoo na interest sa'yo. Could be younger. Water sign could be. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. And nangyayari dito is parang nagiging burden na to sa kanila. Kasi syempre, ang dami lang gustong sabihin, ang dami lang gustong gawin, na move pagdating sa'yo, pero hindi nila magawa. sasabog na lang. Parang ganun. Okay. What else for earth signs? Death in reversed. Ten of Wands. King of Pentacles, the Empress. Okay, earth signs. May message dito. Every time na meron kayong gagawin para ma-motivate ka, isipin mo, maglagay ka ng something na ilulook forward mo. Okay? Maglagay ka ng something na ilulook forward mo para ganahan ka magtrabaho, ganahan kang gumawa. Kasi meron kang nilulook forward. Something like, okay, sige, pagkatapos ko na ito, manunood ako ng TV. Parang ganon. Okay, as simple as that. Hindi naman natin kailangan gawing bongga, no? Kung ano man yung ilulook forward natin. Okay, sige, pagkatapos ko ng ganitong gawain, panonoodin ko yung gusto kong panoodin. Or pagkatapos nito, mag-video okay ako. Something like that. Okay? Para ma-excite ka, yung energy mo is nandun. Somebody needs to hear that. Para hindi ka manamlay sa ginagawa. Kasi seven of cups. Okay? And wag mong ilagay yung sarili mo sa routine or sa cycle. Basagin mo. Okay? Kailangan may mabago. Two of Cups reversed. Again, the Seven of Cups, the Ace of Cups. Some of you needs to move on from something. Or needs to cut off. Okay? Kung ano man. Some of you, there's this energy of a water sign, a heavy water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Nasabihin nating talaga namang nabibigatan sa sitwasyon. I don't know why. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, may nangyaring separation. What's your Ten of Wands? The Hanged Man in reversed. The Eight of Pentacles. Meron silang gustong gawin. Okay? Meron silang gustong gawin. Meron silang gustong action, move, sabihin pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. The Eight of Swords is here. May chance na they feel like stuck pa rin sa connection nyo or sa energy nyo. A past person. Yeah. They want the sun. They want to see you. Okay? So, yung energy mo kasi it's like namamagnet sila. Okay? They feel drawn. Parang hinihila mo sila eh. I don't know why. Okay? So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung love letter. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.